Hi guys, it's Risa. How you doing? So I'm excited because I'm using my new phone for the first time. Just got it today and has an amazing camera on it. So that's why I'm so excited. The other reason I'm excited is because I've love that you guys are commenting and subscribing and sharing my recipes and my videos. So keep doing that. Friends, family, coworkers, Weight Watchers peeps, anybody on a health journey, okay? I'm also excited because of my recipe, which is so easy and delicious. And what is it? A no-bake cheesecake, okay? It's fantastic and of course just simple. I love it because yogurt has so many health benefits and it's wonderful for so many reasons. It helps balance source of proteins and fats and carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals. It helps bone density. It boosts your immune system. It reduces high blood pressure. And it's considered a really amazing superfood, okay? So I just buy this yogurt at Costco, but you can buy any kind, 0%, and on the lifestyle, 0 points, okay? And if you're counting it, you're only using 4 tablespoons. So it'll still be low, and you're gonna need cocoa, any brand again of cocoa. And then the other thing that you're going to need is any type of sugar substitute, or you can use sugar. It's only 2 teaspoons. Okay, so really low in sugar. I love the SUKRIN Gold, or I love SWERVE, or I use TRUVIA, but any one you want to use, and real sugar, just account for the smart points if you're doing Weight Watchers. So, who doesn't love chocolate cheesecake? It's so amazing. I've just measured out 4 tablespoons of my Greek yogurt. And now you're going to take 1 teaspoon of cocoa. And if you want to double, triple, quadruple this recipe, this is so amazing for an afternoon snack, evening snack, dessert, for company. Will look really super pretty because I'll show you in a second. So we've got the cocoa inside. Now we need the sweetener. And of course I have to taste it. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to use the SUKRIN. 1, 2 teaspoons. And it's so easy, you're just going to mix this up. And if you like it sweeter or you don't like it as sweet after you add the cocoa, just taste it because, you know, I have to taste everything. The other thing that you're going to want to have is PIZELLE cookies. You can have chocolate, or I have the vanilla here. You can get them at Costco. You can get them in an Italian bakery. I even have a PIZELLE maker. You can make your own. You can buy them in a lot of different places. The other thing I love are these little tiny mini waffle bowls. And I bought this in my grocery store, and it's only 1 smart point. So super delicious to fill it, and yeah, you're gonna really enjoy making these. The other thing you can do if you want, you can layer it with some fruit. So I have some strawberries here. You could add some almonds, you can add some chocolate chips. And I just wanted to show you, I have these Sensado sugar-free chocolate chips. Again, you don't like the no sugar chocolate chips, you can use regular chocolate chips. You can use other kind of seeds, any kind of fruit. If you want to make it pretty, you can do that. You can also add on top some whipped cream or some Cool Whip if you want. So let's get started. So let me taste it and make sure, just have it nice and chocolatey and creamy. Yum. It is so chocolatey, it's delicious. So let's do one in one of our waffle bowls. And your company's going to say, oh my God, it's so cute. So you just add some, just like that. So I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons. You can fill it right up if you want. And for the bowl is only 1 smart point. And for the pizelli is 1 smart point each. Okay? So you can just leave it like that. If you want, you can add a few, for a half a teaspoon of those chocolate chips, 0 smart points, and for a tablespoon, 1 smart point. So you could just add a few chocolate chips on top. You could add just a few almonds. Voila, and eat it right away. I wouldn't leave it overnight because this might get soggy. So if you know your company's coming in an hour, that should be okay. Leave it in the fridge, of course. Or you can just eat it out of the bowl like that is delicious. Add stuff to that. But the presentation is so pretty. Or you can just take some whipped cream and put that on top. And then add some chocolate chips. Another thing you can do is just put a little bit down like that. And put some strawberries or whatever fruit that you have. I've just sliced up some strawberries and add some more. You can just be creative and do whatever you want. If you want a little bit of Cool Whip on top, you can add a tablespoon of some Cool Whip and just eat it like that. You want to add an extra one on top, you can make it into a sandwich. So there's so many ways you can be creative, okay? And yeah, you want to add something else in it, you can. You want to add other flavors to it. You want to make it into a chocolate peanut butter. You can add a little bit of PB2 or real peanut butter. You want to drizzle some syrup on it. You can do that. I love chocolate with chocolate. So I'll just show you. It looks like a little sundae. Let's see. Just a little bit. If it comes out. There we go. And you could have, isn't that so cute? And the presentation is so pretty if you have company coming over. I'm just going to add a few more chocolate chips on top. And there you go. Your little pizelli. Well, this one is a waffle bowl, but you can have your pizelli or your waffle bowl. Cheesecakes, okay? So again, these are simple, easy recipes. Make it not too far in advance because again, you don't want them to get soggy. And you can just eat this out of the bowl like this and serve it to your company. So that's it. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. And please don't forget to continue subscribing, sharing, commenting, and telling people. All right? And come visit me for more motivation and inspiration at my Facebook group, Risa's Recipes and Weight Watchers Tips. Bye guys, signing off.